If the leftover space at the end of tile rows is uneven during ceramic tile installation, adjust the layout before setting adhesive to avoid excessive cuts and wasted material. Start by measuring the full run and subtracting the width of full tiles to find the leftover space. Divide that leftover space by 2 to determine even edge gaps and mark balanced starting lines using a chalk line. Dry lay a row without adhesive to confirm the layout and shift the starting line in small increments until the end gaps are within 1/8 of an inch of each other. When centering is not possible because of fixtures or irregular walls, plan for a wider, intentional cut at less visible transitions like next to a cabinet rather than the main sightline. Use tile spacers during dry fitting to simulate grout joints and recheck diagonal runs to prevent cumulative misalignment. Once satisfied, snap your final guideline and transfer it to the substrate so that each tile is set with consistent edge alignment. Common mistakes include starting at a straight wall without checking the opposite wall, which leaves one side with tiny slivers that are hard to cut cleanly, so always measure and balance from both sides and dry fit first. Another issue is ignoring wall irregularities, which create uneven gaps along the run, so scribe walls and allow for irregularities by adjusting the starting layout or using trim pieces where necessary. A third frequent problem is failing to account for grout joint width, which changes visible spacing, so choose your grout width before laying out, include spacers during dry fitting, and remeasure to keep final gaps consistent. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare who is available for ceramic tile installation or other projects. And we also help contractors find work by connecting them with nearby homeowners. We host a discussion community where people share layout tips, ask questions about edge alignment, and get practical advice from others who have solved similar tile layout challenges.